To be back with another video. We up this nature trail right now, going up and hiking with my boy Alex and Zaya. Follow my boy on Snapchat. Slam down below, hit the bell, leave some stuff in the comments, share this video with your friends or mom or dad or cousin, whatever, and let's start this journey. Woo. And by the way, let me tell you this address. This address is Van Duzy Street. Van Duzy Street. Yeah. What the fuck is that?
That's how we the old. What you sell? You see what I mean? We're trying to find gold. There'll be a part 2 to this. You see it?
A trail.
It says not a trail. A raccoon something. Control area.
Oh shit, I'm not going there. Fuck that shit, I'm not going there.
This is not a trail.
Also,
Wait, you want to go up or just kind of like... Wait. Oh yeah, I remember. When you go up...
oh yeah, where the code was! No. Yeah, we went this way. We got my boy Zaya. Zaya, hold the camera for me. Here. Hold that shit for me. I did that shit. What's up, boys? You gotta go up here, can't stay. Bro, these girls up there. This is a fun journey.
Jordan, remember those trees?
Yeah.
In South Carolina? Remember those trees in South Carolina?
Oh yeah!
It had a big ass spider on the tree.
It's not really trash when nobody comes up here.
Oh yeah, remember when we was going all the way up the tree? And on South
Yeah,
Carolina?
boy. Who's fucking with our sticks?
What the fuck is this? Yo,